This is a monotub. This is one of the monotubs. So that's lava rock. So right now we're just cleaning it off, cleaning the tub out, and we are going to set multiple trays down inside this tub. We will take the lids off of them. That way they can go straight up into the air rather than side pinning and everything. We'll probably end up taking them out of their tubs, and then we'll use them as the stands to set them on. So when we get to that part of the process, I will show you. Right now, we're just using hot water and rinsing everything off. Now we're gonna fill this monotub up with water. It's gonna just be room temperature. That way it constantly has moisture for the cake to be able to absorb water from. So you want to fill it just to about the top of where the rocks are at. There's cake number 2 going in the tub. Let's give it a little tap. There you go. We'll set it on top of the container. Cake number 3. And cake number 3. Oh, that one broke. This will be number 4. It's a little bit bigger of a cake. So now we got 4 cakes in the tub. There's the cakes in their new home. 1, 2, 3, 4. And see, we got them all on stands. We even got lids sitting on top of the lava rocks. That way, if they grow downwards, they'll hit the lids rather than growing into the water and then causing mold. So one thing to tell you about growing multiple cakes in one monotub is you definitely want to be looking out for any kind of bacteria, because if you get it on that one, it could spread to that one, to that one, to that one very quickly. So you definitely want to be watching these every single day and checking for any kind of bacteria. Another thing that I found useful was putting foil hats over the top of each of these. It seems like it helped trap moisture onto the cake a little bit better, and then once you start seeing the mushrooms start to pop up to where, you know, they were pushing the foil hat up, then I would take it off for a few days.